how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Christmas gift, a present. Very, very simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a totally beginner, if you've never drawn anything in your life, you will be able to draw this, all right? It's a short video, only about 8 minutes, so stay to the very end, and it's going to be color at the very end, all right? So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with a circle, kind of for the center of the tied area of the gift. Go over here, and I'm going to pull out, down, in, out, down, in, over here, down. So showing kind of the you know, it's like a strap, right? Out, down, in. So essentially a hole on the inside of that. I'm going to draw a curved line across here to show like maybe the binding of the ribbon. Going to go over here on this side. Line out, zigzag. Zigzag here. Over here, edge of the square of the gift. I'm going to think about the line going through, right? Because I want to find the other end of the gift. Down here, you are thinking about, you know, how it goes behind there. Line over here, down. And we're going to go over here across to the other side of the square. You're drawing that square. At least the top part of a box, essentially, right? Pulling down here, down here. This is parallel to this. So if I was to, like, angle-wise, this line is the same as that. And then so is this one over here. So I'm going to have to move that a little bit. Then I'm going to pull over to this line. And then I'm pulling all the way across here. It's going to find the ribbon over here. Down. It's going to pull the same angle as this one. This ribbon right here is going to pull the same angle as that. I'm pulling down, which is the same angle as this. Line over here, across, and you have the other ribbon right there. And what I could do as well is I could throw a thicker line around the whole thing to make it look a little bit more presentable, right? Like I could make it look a little bit more like a sticker, and that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. I'd like to throw a thicker line around the just the outside line. Just the outside line. Right? And it makes it look a little bit more like a sticker of some kind. It makes it more presentable. See that? Alright, let's go into really quick coloring. Just really quick. Nothing too wild. I'm going to make this, let me see, red, the bow, and I'll make the rest of it green. Right? That would probably be a good idea. Wait, green? Yeah, green for Christmas. So, alright, let me do this. All right, let me find right here. I'm gonna just flatly color in with marker. Doesn't matter what you color it in with, by the way. You can color it in with colored pencil. Really, all of it's relatively flat, I'll be honest, as far as the coloring goes. So that's kind of what I'm going to be using. Just like a flat technique, nothing wild. Right here, just I'm filling it in. And I guess you could leave it white like that, honestly. That would actually be fine. You know what? I think I'm going to leave it white like that because that looks Christmassy on its own. But I will do this. I will add a tag. I will add a tag sticking out, right, with a name on it. See, line over here. Line out. Like a rectangle shape stuck to that. And then I will color that green. Right? You have the tag with the whoever's name is on it. You can write somebody's name if you want. Probably before the coloring of it. Uncolor that green. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed that, hit that like button. Also, don't forget, please hit the. Check out the description for my full lessons. I have entirely full lessons on drawing the body, drawing the face, perspective, other stuff on there. Lots of other stuff on Skillshare. Go check out the link, and you can go get a free month of Skillshare, and you can get you can see everything on the channel. It is completely free for a month. Take advantage of that because there's so much learning on that site. There's a lot of good stuff. Other than that, say hi to me in the comments, and I'll see you very soon, okay? Yeah, that's it. Merry Christmas, and we're going to be posting like every day, at least every weekday for the Christmas season. See you later.